guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to resolve battery heats up fast in Realme. But before you continue this video, so I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, first step here, simply you just have to scroll it down like this, and now you just have to turn off the feature that you don't use. For example, here I don't use my Wi-Fi, I'm gonna turn it off. And then here's the Bluetooth, because it will drain your battery guys. So here, the second step, you just have to go to the setting. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down to the battery option like this. And after that, here you can see the battery saver. You just have to activate this battery saver. So here, to use it, you just have to tap on this turn on now. And as you can see, it will switch to the dark mode like this. And after that, the third way, here you just have to clear your reason. Here I'm gonna tap on this three slash icon at the bottom. And now you just have to close or erase the application that you don't use. For example, like this. This background application will drain your battery too. So yeah, you just have to erase it, clear it. After that, the next step here, you just have to check it first your internal memory. I'm gonna tap on the file, and then after that, in this file option, go ahead to this clean option at the bottom. And then you just have to clean your junk here. So if you clear your junk in this file, it will not drain your battery. Before it, I have cleared my junk. So yeah, just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.